Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have a favorite album and you want to add it to your playlist, I'll show you how to add an entire album to a Spotify's playlist under a minute. So let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device, then tap on search on the bottom. Go ahead and search for the album using the search bar. And after you have selected the album you want to add to your playlist, go ahead and tap on the three dots next to the song. Here you can see an option called Add to Playlist. Tap on it, then tap on Done. It's that easy. Now your playlist can have all the complete album experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.